Right, so I was asleep last night and I had an idea. So, you've got the $9 starter packs. They're $9. I can't buy them anymore, but I can still get the locker room packs. So, my idea was, what if I bought 4 moments as cheaply as possible, traded them all in for trade tickets, and got a locker room pack? Automatically, it's a gamble because I'm going to trade in basically 4 moments for 3. But there's a little bit of potential that I could upgrade some moments and get some rarer ones. So I'm going to see if that works. Test this theory. Basically, I'm going to go through and buy 4 moments for probably $2, the cheapest I'm going to be able to get them. Trade them all in, so spend total $8. Trade them all in to buy a locker room pack, which is $1 less than what the old starter packs are. And buy a locker room pack, and then see if I can strike it lucky. So here's one. I'll trade in this Fred VanVleet common, the 60,000 of them made. I'm okay with that. He's playing well, but I should be able to buy this again for just the $2 if I really want to. Alright, I'll just keep sorting from low to high price. Yeah, sometimes you'll catch some $1, I guess, when people might want to just get rid of them as quickly as possible. $2 is normally around the cheapest you can get for a common, and usually they have to sit around the 60,000 of them minted. These are base set series 3. That doesn't really matter. The series doesn't normally matter too much. Sometimes it looks like there's a $2 or a $1, but they're already gone by the time you get in, so I need to be fairly quick here. Danny Advia. I think I've had one of these ones before. I think either I have or I've had. Maybe I traded that in another time to the locker room. Is that 2? I think that's 2. Alright, Royce O'Neal. Yep, jump on that real quick. $2 one available. Thank you, Alex Yang. Quick. Let's get this done. Stealing a layup, Royce O'Neal. Yeah, happy to trade that one in as well. Alright, I think that's it. Let's have a look. I should at least have. Yeah, okay. So the top 4, Iggy, Advia, Royce O'Neal, Fred VanVleet. So what I've got to do now, I've done this in another video, showed you how it all works, but I've got to trade them in for trade tickets. And once I have 4 of them, that's how I'm going to buy the locker pack. So let's trade these in as quickly as possible. Make sure I'm doing the right ones. Yeah. Happy to get rid of all these. Like I said, if I regret doing this, I can just probably rebuy any of these 4 moments for the same $2 later down the track, so not too concerned. Trade. Alright, that's 3. 1 more to go. Advia is still there, but I think it's just possibly not updated yet. I think it's just Royce O'Neal left. Yep. Trade you in. Yes, please. Alright. Confirm. That's all done. Let's go back and see. It shows you the trade. That should, yeah, tick over. 4 trade tickets. So let's go grab a locker pack and see what we got. Alright. So once you've got the trade tickets, you can the 4 trade tickets, you can just join the drop here at the top. Put you in the queue. It's not so much a queue, it's usually just a little wait time. That sounds like a positive. You're in line for locker packs, release 9. Alright, here we go, it's through. Buy pack, yes please. Sending request, let's get it. Fingers crossed. Alright, let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Habs. Lamar Stevens. Not off to a great start. Well, that's a nice dunk though. I like this kid. That's a nice dunk, but another comment. Alex Caruso. And we are 0 for 2 because we've basically just got 2 comments. Both the 60,000 serial or total serial. So let's go, please. Another comment. Derek Rose and another 60. All topping though. That's a nice dunk in the end. More the highlight for me. Alright. So we've got 3 moments. Basically, my mission has failed. My idea has failed. All I did there was trade 4 commons for 3 commons. At the end of the day, my gamble only cost me $2. So I'm not too sad, but I probably won't do that again too much. It's seems like a little bit of a waste of time. I could have just bought any of those 3 for probably $2 if I really wanted them. So fail. Alright, exciting. I just got an email. Congratulations on being a recipient for a new airdrop. The Series 3 Hustle and Show set. So LeBron, LaMelo, Kuminga, Garland, and Poku. So I've got a pack here waiting for me. Which is very exciting. Obviously met some challenge. I didn't double check why it's actually there, but let's have a look. Very excited for this one. Yeah. Alright, 2. That's good. Happy with that. All bonus. Lakers. Oh, that's gonna be LeBron. Nice. That's a low serial. Only 18,000 made. Number 510. Nice dunk. I love LeBron moments. Oh, he's not done. Oh, second steal. Well, get 2 plays in this one. 2 steals, 2 dunks. That's awesome. Always happy to have LeBron moments. Love it. Love that one. Let's see what else we got. OKC, that'll be Poku. Yeah, Poku. Ha! He's so skinny. What's he gonna do? Whoop! Nice pass. Whoop! He's a loose cannon with that ball. Again, only 18,000 of these ones. Awesome. I love that. A couple of bonuses.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. If you didn't like the video, that's okay. Please still subscribe and I'll continue trying to improve to win you over. We're just getting started.